Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're spotlighting TSM, the ADR for Taiwan Semiconductor, TSMC, a global leader in advanced chip manufacturing. In its latest Q3, TSMC delivered record results, NT 452.3 billion in net income, which is US 14.8 billion, up 39% year over year, with revenue of NT 989.9 billion, up 30%. Importantly, TSMC upgraded its 2025 revenue outlook to mid 30% USD growth, driven by surging demand for AI chips across data centers, edge devices, and generative AI workloads. On the operational front, TSMC continues heavy investment, about 40 to 42 billion in 2025 capex, with expanding fabs in Arizona and new facilities in Taiwan and Japan. But it's not without risk. In mid 2025, TSMC dealt with a high profile leak of its cutting edge 2nm process IP, an incident that put internal security practices under scrutiny. At present, TSM trades around $303 per ADR. Bottom line, TSM remains the backbone of the global advanced semiconductor supply chain. If AI demand stays strong, its margin and growth could stay robust, but geopolitical IP and currency risks merit close attention. Drop a comment if you want a breakdown of its valuation multiples or competitive landscape next. Thanks for watching. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.